First five for Yolanda Holmes, number 24, Aldama, number 5 is Ryan, number 77, Gabriel, number 7, Cabral, and number 30, Adrian Naman. Again, officials for tonight, it's Kuya
If you
Ryan
go to like that,
and
bro, it's up to you.
We'll see.
First possession belongs to Yolanda Holmes. Naman, kapag na kayo okay. Naman ang nilili na ball. Sa challenge, hounded by Cabral. To Gautam. Gautam, pass deflected by Cabral. Recovered by Dami. Dami, deflected, poke away by Aldama. Gabriel throws the ball out of bounds. Turnover for Yolanda Holmes. Great hands by Yolanda Holmes. Still 0-0 on the ball. Kuya. Guarded by Numan. To Gautam. Gautam to Tatalios. Long throw. Short. Ismail with the ball. Ismail. Short stop. Money for Ismail. Kuya running the point for Silog. Gautam running baseline, loses the ball. Possession remains with Silog. 10 under shot clock. Tatalios to Gautam. Tatalios, let it fly from deep, no good. Long rebound, Numan. Cabral to Numan, wide open three. No good, unlucky rebound, Kuya. Kuya. Guarded by Aldama to Dami. Dami steals, denied by Ismail, rebound Kuya. Tatalios, stolen, intercepted by Numan. Challenge, but the challenge contact on the floor follows on number 13, Tatalios. First personal foul, first team foul on Silog. Adrian Naman will go to the charge strikes for 2 for Yolanda. Chance for Yolanda to take the ball game. Sorry, they're up by 2. So 3-0 is the score in favor of Yolanda. 2 out of 2 for Adrian. That's a 4-0 run by Yolanda Holmes. Kuya. Poke away by Cabral. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 7. Hands foul on Cabral. First personal foul, first team foul. Sideline throwing for Silog. Tatalios to the cutting Dami. Pass deflected, intercepted by Aldama. Cabral, strong right to the basket for 2. Kuya, guarded by Cabral. Jumper, no good. Unlucky rebound, Gabriel. Cabral, forward pass to Numan. Gives the ball to Aldama for a layup. 8-0 run by Yolanda Holmes. Kuya, guarded baseline. Bothered by Aldama by Ismail. Rebound, Gabriel. Gabriel gives the ball to Cabral. Cabral to Numan, to Ismail. Ismail pass deflected by Dami. Possession stays with Yolanda Holmes. Baseline throw in for Yolanda. They're up by 8. Aldama to Cabral. Adrian, no good from deep. Rebound ends up with Manalili. Silog down by 8. Kuya waits for his teammates. Gives the ball to Gautam, to Dami. Gonzalez to Gautam. Gautam let it fly from deep. No good. Rebound and Aldama. Aldama pushing up the pace. Pass intercepted by Kuya. Kuya sends right to the basket. Bothered by Gabriel. Daming in the putback. Silong is on the scoreboard there. 8-2 in favor of Orlando. Ismael to Cabral. Noman to Gabriel. Gabriel loses the handle. Poked away. Stolen by Lauda. Gautam to Kuya. Kuya short snap. Another put back by Gonzalez. And the ball ends up with Ismael. Ismael trying here. To Cabral. Cabral from deep. No good. Manalini secures the board. Personal. 4 minutes and 30 in the first quarter. This is week 5, first game. Yolanda Holmes versus Silong. Gonzalez to Gautam. Back to Gonzalez. Daming. Sees daylight. Bago tayo naman. Rebound by Gabriel. Gabriel to Ismael. Ismael with numbers. Traveling violation. Committed by Ismael. Turnover for Yolanda. Couldn't capitalize on that one. Time out, ref. Time out. Yolanda Holmes. 3 minutes and 58 remaining in our first quarter. 8-2 in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Okay, back to the ball game. This is week 5 first game, Yolanda Holmes versus Silong. Silong trailing by 6. Kuya running the point for Silong. To Gautam. Short on the corner 3, rebound Ismael. Adrian, pass intercepted by Gautam. Gonzalez with the ball. Forward pass to Kuya. Kuya, overshoot, rebound coming. Denied by Ismael. Rebound Gautam. Gonzalez. Daming with the ball. Daming denied by Ismael. Put back by Daming. He will be denied. 2 points is good for Ashley Daming. Yolanda up by 4. Ismael to Cabral. Pass deflected by Gonzalez. Possession stays with Yolanda. Aldama to naman. Naman to Ismael. Ismael from deep. Bodied by Kuya. Rebound Gonzalez. Forward pass to Kuya. Kuya closer. Too strong. Rebound ends up with Kuya. To Gonzalez. Gonzalez, pass to Manalini, to Dami, Kuya, wide open tray, in and out, rebound Ismael, man to Gabriel, to Aldama, Aldama driving baseline, gives the ball back to Gabriel, Gabriel from right to the basket, no good, unlucky rebound, out of bounds, possession Silong. A minute and 10 left in the first quarter. Silong down by 4. Gonzalez. Corner 3, no good. Rebound Gabriel. Cabral. To Adrian from deep. Bang! 3-pointer is good. To Adrian in the lead is up to 7. Kuya to Gautam. Gautam back to Kuya to Mangge. Kuya spins. Hands. Foul is on number 7. Cabral. He gets caught. Cabral gets caught. It is hand on the Tupi Jan. Second personal foul. 17 down. Kuya the free line for 2. Last 10 seconds. First free throw for Kuya. That's the end of the first quarter. One out of 2 for Kuya. That's the end of the first quarter. 11-5 is the score in favor of Yolanda Home. This is the second quarter. Second quarter possession belongs to Silog. Silog down by 6. Kuya to Gautam. Pass to Luso. Gautam running baseline. To Dami. Dami to Gautam. Spin. Shot is good for Gautam. Up and under move for Gautam. Kuya to Patrick. Patrick to Cabral. Ismael dapat pakai tray. Long rebound Dami. Dami pass intended to Luso is too strong. Pass is too hard to handle for Luso. Turnover for Silog. Didn't capitalize on the transition. Adrian, thinking about taking the 3, gives the ball to Ismael. Adrian to his brother Patrick. Patrick to Adrian. To Gabriel. Gabriel to Ismael. Pass to Patrick. Turnover, stolen by Gonzalez. Dami, swinging down the court. Dominant violation created by Dami. Missed opportunity again for Silog. But it is 4 for Yolanda Home. Adrian, bounded by Gonzalez. Rebound, Gonzalez. Mark. Running the point for Silog. Gives the ball to Kuya. Pass to Luso. Pass is too strong. Turnover natin for Silog. Turnover versus piling up for Silog. Cabral to Ismael. Cabral to Adrian. 3-2 strong by Silog. Cabral spins. Motor. No good. Rebound Dami. Dami. Pass to Kuya. Kuya says daylight. Attacks the basket. Go to the line for 2. He gets fouled. Foul is number 23. Patrick naman, first personal foul. First team foul. Substitution rep. Manalili checks in for Dami. 2 free throws will be awarded to Kuya. First free throw is no good for Kuya. Kuya struggling at the free throw line. One out of two for Angelo Kuya. The lead is kept down to 3. Cabral running the show for Yolanda. Gives the ball to Ismael. Ismael to Gabriel. Gabriel touch pass to Ismael. Poor turnover for Yolanda Holmes. Poor floor spacing for Yolanda. Ending up in a turnover. Gautam to the ball. Next subject, Kuya. Kuya takes the tray, yes sir! Kuya takes the ball game of 11 apiece. Deadlock 11 is the score. Ismael, founded by 2 Zilog players. Adrian back to Ismael. Cabral fakes. Pass! Cabral turns the ball over. Stolen by Gautam. Here comes Silog, chance for Silog to take the lead. Kuya to Jeremy. Jeremy to Mark. Mark to Manalili. Manalili to Gautam. Reverse layup to short. Rebound Gautam. Put back by Gautam is good. And Silog with the lead now. 13-11 in favor of Silog. 8-0 run by Silog in the second quarter. 8 Patrick Robinson is good. Patrick sucks the drought for Yolanda Holmes. Tied ball game, 13 apiece. Kuya to Tatalios. Jeremy has the 3-pointer from the corner. 3-pointer is good for Jeremy Luzon. 3-point lead by Silog. Cabral to Adrian. Adrian will answer short rebound Gabriel. Put back by Gabriel is good. Right place at the right time for Gabriel. 16-15 in favor of Silog. Manalili to Jeremy. Jeremy same spot. Same result for Jeremy Luzon. Back to back threes for Jeremy Luzon. 4-point lead now for Silog. Adrian looking for a teammate. Pass to Carl. Back to Adrian. 7 seconds to shoot. Ismael from deep. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Ismael. Silog up by 1, 19-19. Kuya, tapang na kay Trey. Short. Rebound, Gabriel. Gabriel to Cabral. Cabral, transition 3. Too strong. Rebound. Adrian, put back by Adrian is good. Yolanda regains the lead. 1-point lead by Yolanda. Gautam running the point for Silog. To Kuya. Kuya to the cutting to Samuel. To Jeremy. Jeremy to Kuya. 3 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Kuya to beat the passer. No good. Rebound Manalili. Gautam for 3. Too strong. Rebound Tatalios. Press 14 again for Silog. Tatalios from deep. No good. Long rebound in favor of Ismael. Ismael with a Euro. Shot no good. There's a foul on the floor. Blocking foul on Silog. Number 13, Tatalios. Second personal foul, first team foul. Sabret Kuya for dummy. Adrian Juan for basic dummy. 2 free throws coming up for Farouk Ismail. 2 minutes and 27 in the second quarter. Chance for Yolanda to add to the 1-point lead. First free throw is good for Farouk. 2 2-point lead now for Yolanda. 1 out of 2 for Farouk. Rebound Tatalias. Last 2 minutes in the second quarter. Gautam to Luso. Luso turns the ball over. Stolen by Aldama. Forward pass to Cabral. Cabral running baseline. Floater too strong. Rebound ends up with Tatalias. Tatalias getting that dribble. Tatalias to Gautam. Gautam to Tatalias. Floater is there. Forward Tatalias. Great ball movement. Leading to an easy 2 for Silog. Deadlock 21 is the score. Eldama to Patrick. Kicks it out to Carr. Ismail top of the head play. Too strong. Long rebound. Gautam. A minute and 14 in the second quarter. Gautam harassed by Cabral. To Tatalias foul on the floor. Pushing foul on number 24. Eldama, first personal foul, 17 down. Sideline calling for Silog. Chance for Silog to break the tie. Lusong to Gautam, corner tray, in and out. Rebound, Manalili, put back by Manalili is good. 18 seconds differential within the shot clock and game clock. Farouk Ismail. Shot no good. Rebound. Daming. Daming to Tatalias. Jeremy. Pass to Tatalias to Gautam. 4 seconds differential between game clock and shot clock. Gautam to Jeremy. Jeremy. Bang the ball. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Aldama denied by Tatalias. That's the end of the first half. Official score 26 for Silog and 21 for Yolanda Home. What a rally by Silog.
Is it me or you're having purple eyelids?
I got no idea.
I feel like you're getting one as well. Our eyebags are like getting done.
Okay, back to the ball game. We're heading to the third quarter with Silog up by 5 after a second quarter rally. Adrian with the ball. Adrian to Ismail. Fires from deep, no good. Rebound Gautam. Tatalias with the ball. Gives the ball to Kuya. Kuya, guarded by Cabral. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Turns the ball over, stolen by Cabral. Possession, Silog. Sideline throwing for Silog. For Yolanda, sorry. Adrian from deep. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good. Right here naman. Tatsalios dancing with Aldama. Tatsalios, pass to Kuya. Kuya guarded by Cabral. Kuya from deep. Yes, sir! Kuya answers in zone 3. Wing behind training 4 in favor of Silog. Patrick, his brother Adrian. Ismail fires from deep. No good. Rebound Banalini. Gautam with the ball. Gautam stays. Shot. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for 2 for Silog. Foul is number 23. Patrick. Second personal foul on Patrick. First team foul on Ilan. So Robin Gautam will go to the charity stripes for 2 free throws. Chance for Silog to add to their 5-point lead. First free throw is no good for Robin. One out of 2 for Robin Gautam. 30-24 is the score. Shot by Parok is no good. Foul is on number 13, Tatsalios. Third personal foul, first team foul. First free throw for Ismail is good. Two out of 2 for Farouk Ismail. 30-26, 4-point lead by Silog. Tatsalios with the ball, bounded by Aldana. Looking for a teammate. Pass deflected, intercepted, followed by Aldana. He gets fouled by Tatsalios. Foul is on number 13. Mark Tatsalios, that's 4 on Mark. Second team foul for Silog. Fourth personal foul. Substitution rep. Jeremy for Mark Tatsalios. 2 free throws will be awarded to Jason Aldana. So Mark Tatsalios will sit down. He's in foul trouble. Jason Aldana at the free throw line for 2. First free throw for Jason is no good. Steal the deficit for Aldana. For Yolanda, they're down by 4. 26-30. 2 round 2 for Jason. Rebound, Danny. It's already by Cabral. Pass to the back for 2. Up with the number. The lead is 2 for Silog. Jeremy to Manalili. Manalili against Aldana. Manalili to Daming. Daming drives, overshoots, rebound Daming. Daming fakes to Manalili for 2. Adrian, pass from deep. Yes, sir! 3-pointers, good. Moving people to Adrian. It's just a 1-point lead for Silog. Kuya, screen by Manalili. From deep, yes, sir! Kuya, with his own version of 3. 4-point lead by Silog. Ismail to Cabral. Cabral from deep. Yes, sir! It's raining, please, Greenville. One-point lead by Silog. Huya, coming back in 3, short. Rebound, Gautam. Ismael comes up with the ball. Ismael pass to Cabral. He gets fouled. This goes to the number 2. Foul on number 0, Robin Dalton. First personal foul, third team foul. Carl will go to the line. Chance for Yolanda to tie the ball game and take the lead. First free throw for Cabral is good to tie the ball game. Cabral gives Yolanda the lead back. 1 point lead now for Yolanda home. 36-35 in favor of Yolanda. Dalton, pass to Manalili. To Daming. Daming, she's denied by Ismael. Rebound Cabral. Cabral, forward pass to Patrick. To Adrian. Adrian from deep. Short. Rebound Ismael. Ismael with the putback. Three-point lead now for Yolanda Horns. 2 minutes and 22. Offensive foul is the whole turnover on number 10. Illegal screening on Manalili. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Last 2 minutes in the third quarter. Yolanda by 38-35. Ismael with the best sweet move by Farouk Ismail. 40-35, 5-point lead by Yolanda. Cabral with the steal of the turnover. Foul on the floor. That's the call, ref. What's the call, right? Foul is on number 7, Carl Cabral. Third personal foul, second team foul. Sideline going for Silog. Silog down by 5. Last 60 seconds in the third quarter. Lewis with the ball. It's getting chippy in blue yellow. Last 5 seconds to shoot. No time for Daming. Daming throws it up. He gets down. It's going to the line for 2. Foul is on number 7, Carl Cabral. That's 4 on Carl Cabral. Third team foul in Yolanda. We can stop the clock. We don't have a rule that we can stop the clock with the injury. So last 20 seconds. Asher Daming waiting for the ball. Chance for Silog to take the lead. Bonus free throw is good for Daming. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 40 for Yolanda Homes and 37 for 38 for Silog. So at the end of the third quarter, the Michelle scored 40-38. 2-point lead by Yolanda Home. What a game. This is just the first game of our week 4. Week 5 rather, sorry. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Silog. Okay, we're heading into the final quarter, last and final quarter of the ball game. Oh, our week 5 first game. Now time goes for a layup, no good, rebound, Manalini. Manalini, put back and a tie. Tied ball game now, 40 apiece. Ismail, his daylight shot too strong. Rebound, Gabriel, he gets fouled. Foul for number 19, Dunning. First personal foul on Dunning, first team foul on Silog. Gabriel will go to the challenge to strikes for 2. Chance for Gabriel to give the lead back to Yolanda, but the first free throw missed. One out of 2 for Gabriel, giving Yolanda 1 point lead. Go time to Tatalias. Tatalias, sabag laki, Trey. Too strong, rebound for down. Ismail on the ball. Ismail to Patrick. Patrick takes, shot, short. Rebound, Tatalias. Tatalias, forward pass to Dunning. Dunning in. Shot. Shot is good for Dunning. Better than more for Asher Dunning. 42-41 in favor of Silog. Back and forth battle between these two teams. Gabriel, step back jumper. No good. Tatalias came up for the ball. Kuya with the ball. Kuya, screen by Manalini. Short snap, short, rebound, Adrian. Adrian, his daylight. He gets fouled. He will go to the line for 2. Foul is on number 15, Kuya. First personal foul, second team foul. First free throw for Adrian is good. Tied ball game again. Oh, deadlock 42 is the score. Adrian gives the run lead back. 43-42 in favor of Yolanda Home. Goal time to Asher. Asher takes shot, no good, rebound, Manalini. Manalini put that is good. Clean up job for Avon Manalini. 1 point lead by Silog. Back and forth battle. Ismail goes to that shot. Foul happened before the shot, according to the referee. What's the call, ref? What's the call, ref? Foul before the shot? Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Who's foul? Foul is on number 0, Beltan. Second personal foul, third team foul on Silog. Baseline showing for Yolanda. Patrick to Ismail. Corner tray. Yes, sir! Moving for Farouk Ismail. 46-44 in favor of Yolanda Hong. Foul is on number 23. Patrick naman. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. Sub-rep. Nagdama for the blood. Gautam Silog number 2. Gautam, number 3 Cabral. To Danny. Danny to Gatalios. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Kuya, 3 seconds to shoot. Kuya, denied by Gabriel. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation committed by Silog. Great defense by Yolanda Holmes. Yolanda holding on to a 2-point lead. Cabral to Adrian. Moves closer. Gives the ball to Gabriel. To Adrian, Suman game. Adrian, wide open three, short, rebound Patrick. Put up by Patrick as well. Right place at the right time for his ball Yolanda. 4-point lead for Yolanda. Gautam stays. He gets fouled. We're in the penalty lot. Penalty net foul is on number 30. Adrian Man, penalty. First personal foul, penalty. Penalty net, penalty. Penalty, 2 shots. 2 shots for Gautam. We're in the penalty red. Isa kaya yung... First free throw for Gautam is good. 45-48 is the score. First free throw is good for Gautam. 2 out of 2 for Morgan Gautam. 46-48. 2-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Cabral to Patrick. Ismail to Cabral. Cabral from deep. Yes, sir! Coming dribble to Cabral. 6-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Challenge will answer no good. Rebound sa win. Ismail. Forward pass to Gabriel. Transition na lang sa Gautam. She's an opening. Layup no good. Rebound. There's a feed. Gatalios. Rebound. Manalili. Put back by Manalili is good. 2 minutes and 39. 48-53 is the score. 48-53. Carl with the ball. Carl to the edge. 56-48 in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Gatalios. Tama ka kay Three. Rebound. Manalilipat, stolen by Cabral. Last 2 minutes. Gabriel layup, short rebound. Gatalios. Forward pass. Intercepted by Cabral. Cabral to Adrian. Yolanda melting down the clock. Time is in their favor. Ismail. To Adrian. Adrian from deep. A minute and 37 left in the final quarter. The lead balloons the double figures to Yolanda Holmes. 12, down by 11. Daming to Lusong. A minute and 20 minutes. Lusong running baseline. To Gauta. To Tatalias. Tatalias to Mananili. Mananili inside. Hook shot. No good. Rebound. Gauta. Put back by Gonzalez good. The lead is 9 for Yolanda Holmes. A minute and 12 left. Ismael down to Natalia. Float on the short. Rebound Manalini. Manalini with the ball. Foul on the floor. Penalty left. Foul is on number 23. Patrick Numan. Fourth personal foul penalty. Kanina pa kayo penalty. Oh, sorry. Left. Babad. Side throw in. Baliktad. Penalty na kanina. Di ba nag-penalty na kanina? Baliktad lang yun. Ba't penalty? Nag-free throw na kanina. Nililito niyo ako. Nag-free throw na kanina, di ba? Penalty na kayo kanina. Baliktad lang yun. Nag-free throw na kayo kanina. Baliktad lang. Kanina pa kayo penalty. Baliktad lang yun, pero paano nyo kayo penalty? Second one is no good, rebound. Last touch by Dami. Yolanda up by 9. Cabral from deep, no good, rebound, Patrick. Cabral to Adrian. So Cabral, 6 seconds to shoot, Cabral in. One shot, no good, rebound, Manalini. Daming. To Gautam, to Tatalias for 2. Shot clock is off. Adrian running baseline, takes. Looking for a teammate, picks it out to Cabral. Cabral using down the clock. Foul on the floor, foul on Lusong. Lusong first personal foul, 14 foul. Shot clock is off. Last 6 seconds. Foul on the floor. Foul before the shot. Foul is on Daming, number 19. Second personal foul. Penalty left. So 2 shots. Penalty. 2 shots will be given to Adrian. The penalty. First free throw is no good for Adrian. One out of 2 for Adrian. Time out. What's the call, guys? Time out. Silog. That's the last time out of Silog. 4.9 seconds left. Okay, back to the ball game. Our second game for tonight, Route 22 Traveling Tours versus Intaro Tokyo. Last 4.9 seconds. Silog with the ball. Manalili from Tachalios. 2 seconds. Tachalios from deep, no good. That's the end of the first game. Official score. 60 for Yolanda Holmes and 52 for Silog. Great game, guys. What a game. Second game for tonight. Route 22 Traveling Tours versus Intaro Tokyo.